The world is changing faster than people realize. And this time, it is not just about new technology. It is about disappearing jobs. For years, we were told machines would help humans work better, that AI would assist us, that automation would remove boring tasks. But now, a bigger question is rising. What happens when the machine no longer helps the worker, but replaces the worker completely? Look around. Taxi drivers once thought their biggest competition was another driver. Now the real threat is a car with no driver at all. Autonomous vehicles are being trained to carry passengers without brakes and without salaries. And when that system becomes cheaper than a human driver, companies will not hesitate. Delivery workers are facing the same future. They do not get tired. They do not ask for overtime. For business, that sounds like a dream. But for workers, it sounds like a warning. Walk into a supermarket today. You already see the future. Cashiers are being replaced by self-checkout machines. One machine can do the work of multiple people. No conversation, just scan, pay, and leave. Banks used to be built around human interaction. Now apps and ATMs have taken over much of that role. A phone screen is replacing the person behind the counter. Call centers are changing too. Telemarketers and support workers are being replaced by AI voice bots. These systems can answer thousands of calls at once. They never sleep, and they cost far less than human staff. Data entry clerks are in danger. Automation software can sort, organize, and process information in seconds. Tasks that once kept departments busy can now be done faster and at much lower cost. Parking attendants are being pushed aside by smart parking systems. Fast food workers are watching kiosks and robotic kitchens take over. Travel agents have already been replaced in many cases by AI tools and booking apps. And this is only the beginning. Many people still say, do not worry. New jobs will be created. But this time, many workers are not convinced. Because even if new jobs appear, they may not come fast enough. And they may not exist in the same numbers as the jobs being destroyed. That is the part people avoid talking about. When one worker loses a job, it is not just one person suffering. It is an entire family feeling impact. Rent bills, groceries, school fees begin to shake. A layoff is not just a business decision on paper. It becomes anxiety inside a home. And the most shocking part is this. Even the people who once felt safe are no longer safe. Tech jobs are no longer untouchable. Coders are watching AI write code. Designers are watching AI generate visuals. Office workers are watching AI handle reports, emails, research, and scheduling. Major companies are cutting workers while increasing spending on AI. That is why so many people no longer believe the promise that technology always creates enough opportunity for everyone. Maybe it creates wealth. Maybe it creates efficiency. But does it create enough dignity and stability for ordinary people? This is not science fiction anymore. This is not some distant future. It is happening, quietly, steadily, and at massive scale. The question is no longer whether AI will change the job market. The real question is how far it will go. How many livelihoods disappear before society reacts? How many families suffer before leaders admit the cost? We were promised a future of convenience. But for millions of workers, that future may arrive looking less like progress and more like replacement. A company sees productivity, an investor sees efficiency, a customer sees speed, but the worker sees something else. A world where human value is becoming harder to measure and easier to replace. If you think this future is dangerous, if you believe the world is changing too fast, then like this video, share it with others, and comment below. Do you think AI will help humanity or replace it? And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful videos like this.